Hello, welcome to 11 o'clock news at 4. I'm your host, Sam. Today we have a very special person coming here tonight. Please welcome Steve.
Steve.
So Steve, I heard you were an astronomer.
Yes, I am.
Are you now? What do you specialize in?
Well, I specialize in Uranus.
Do you?
Okay.
So what are the measurements of Uranus? How big is it?
The radius is 15,759 miles, and that is pretty big. The diameter is 51,118 kilometers, and you could fit 69 Earths in it, which is pretty big. And it also is very far away from the Sun. It's, in fact, 19 times farther than Earth is, which is 2,810,990,000 kilometers away from the Sun.
So, what you're saying is Uranus is pretty big.
So big, it's you could almost compare it to Peyton Manning's forehead.
Do you agree with you?
Peyton Manning has a big head.
So where is it located in relation to the Sun?
It is the seventh planet from the Sun, and it is located in between Neptune and Saturn.
When and who discovered Uranus?
So, in 1781, William Herschel discovered Uranus, and it was named after the Greek god of the heavens, and it was also the first planet to be discovered in modern times, and it has only been visited once since by the Voyager 2.
I heard Uranus has many different layers and depths. Describe them for me.
So, the core is very cold, it's rocky and icy. And the mantle is made out of water, methane, ammonia, and it's a little warmer. The outer shell is 83% hydrogen, 15% helium, and 2% methane.
I heard its atmosphere is really weird. So describe that for me too.
Yeah, its atmosphere is very cold. So the first layer closest to the planet is negative 370 degrees Fahrenheit to negative 240 degrees Fahrenheit.
So Uranus is pretty cold.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. And it's also very dense, too. Very thick gases. The second layer, it has methane smog, which creates the blue color that you see in pictures of it. The third layer is like the corona, and it is 1,070 degrees Fahrenheit, and the scientists think it is hot because of a star that's near it, because it's too far away from the Sun to get the Sun's heat.
So, you said before it's near Neptune and Saturn, and I know Saturn has rings. Does Uranus?
Yeah, it actually does have rings. It has 13 rings, but you can't really see them because they're so thin and not very dense, and some are only a few kilometers, and they're made of ice and water particles.
What is it rotation like in orbit? How?
Well, it has a pretty funky orbit because scientists think it was struck by an object a while ago, and that made it spin all funky. And it rotates in the opposite direction than most planets, and it also is getting kind of pulled off its axis, and the scientists think it's because of a moon. One of its moons is falling away, and it's kind of pulling it with it.
So does Uranus moon?
Well, it does. It has 27 moons. They're very cold, rocky. Most of them are small, except there are 5 very large ones.
So, in conclusion, it's big. It's the 7th planet, and it was discovered a long time ago.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hi, I'm Sam Jaffe. Welcome to 11 o'clock news at 4. I'm the host.
Oh, it's not actually blue. Its true color is... Oh, I forgot to look that up.
Oh, this is backwards. Has this been backwards the whole time?
No, you're futzing with it.
Hola. Welcome to 11 o'clock news at 4. I'm your host, Sam. Today we will be welcoming a new and improved... What? A new and improved Sam. Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to 11 o'clock news at 4. I'm your host, Sam. That's the point.
Right.
It's exactly.
The second layer, it has a lot of...
That's what your thing's gonna be?
What?
People are gonna be sleeping.
Yeah, I know. We need to make it funny.
What's ethane?
Yeah, what's ethane?
Ethane or methane?
Did you mess up the typing?
Pretty sure it said ethane.
You guys should look that up.
I don't know. It's right methane. He probably doesn't care. Kilometers away from the sun.
So, what you're saying is Uranus is pretty big.
Yeah, you know, in fact, like, it's almost as big as Peyton Manning's forehead.
Where is it located?
Manning has a big heart.
Sorry. Taylor, we were doing so good.